Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So for this week's video, we are going to be making a granny square sweater. So just follow along as I do so. I'm going to insert some photos here of the inspiration that I saw. And I'm going to be doing more neutral colors because I usually wear more neutral colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to it. so this is the finished product. So I made a turtleneck, and I'm probably gonna wear it like this. I also, as you can see, I didn't weave in the ends yet, so we're just rocking it like this. But I'm thinking that I'm probably going to fold the sleeves up maybe and wear it like this. Let me see. I don't know yet, but this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, but that's besides the point. I'm happy I got it done. So this is it. Maybe I'll wear it down. All right, peace out. It's like, I hope you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.